So, given that it's the 4th of July, I thought I would make one of the most American cocktails that I know of, and that would be the Manhattan. Now, like a dry martini, this is one of those drinks that seems really simple on paper, but it's not until you get the correct technique that this drink really comes into its own. Anyway, what we're going to do is talk about my first variation, which is that I like to add in orange bitters. The classic just uses aromatic bitters, but I like to add a dash of orange as well. It just brings out some of the fruity notes in the whiskey. And obviously the classic aromatic bitters too. I put those in first, so the other ingredients then wash those into the drink and just leave them stranded on the ice. So then I'm going to add in 15 mils of Martini Rosso here, so sweet vermouth. There we go. And 45 mils of bourbon. So good dose of American whiskey. That's 15, 30, 45. And then basically I'm going to give this a good stir for around 30 seconds, just to really get a little bit of dilution and to get the chill in there. So, around we go with our bar spoon. Like I said, do this for around 30 seconds. Much longer, you're just going to add in some dilution. It's not really going to make the drink any colder. So just make sure that you do that for the right amount of time. And you should be good. You can of course taste that. Yes. And then we're just going to strain this into our chilled glass. Like so. And it's a very classic, very simple, very elegant drink. And so we're going to match that with the garnish. And that's just going to be a single maraschino cherry on a cocktail stick in the glass. And there you have the Manhattan.